need to turn the always on display on or off on your Apple Watch. By doing this, you can save battery or keep your screen visible just the way you like. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy methods to turn the always on display feature on or off on your Apple Watch step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Through the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap Display and Brightness. Now tap Always On. Tap the Always On switch to turn the feature on or off. Method 2. Using the Watch app on your iPhone. Grab your iPhone now. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Now tap Display and Brightness. Tap on Always On. Now tap the Always On switch to turn the feature on or off. And these are the methods to turn the Always On display feature on or off on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.